everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you very tasty pasta recipe. I'll be using Gemelli pasta from Garofalo. This one takes 9 minutes to get tender. One jar, this is 15 ounce creamy lemon Parmesan sauce. Parmesan cheese, parsley flake, garlic powder, granulated onion powder, ground ginger powder, half teaspoon each. You can use a fresh garlic, but I'm using garlic powder. Half teaspoon salt, black pepper, red chili flake, half teaspoon each, and olive oil. Mixed vegetable. So this is a 1 pound, it's a 12 ounce. I'll be using 1 pound. And let's start making our delicious vegetarian pasta. I place the pot on a gas and we'll put the water. Once the water going to start boil, then we'll bring the pasta. As the water started to boil, add pasta. Stir it. Now we're going to cook it for 9 minutes. Pasta is boiling for 5 minutes. I'm going to transfer this one into the next burner, and we'll start the burner, and I'll place it here. I'll get fry pan, add olive oil, 1 tablespoon olive oil. These are the frozen vegetables, so we're going to cook them. Another 4 minutes, the pasta will get tender. Mix it. This is a good thing about the dry spices. We don't have to cook it. We can add spices, salt, black pepper, red chili flakes, half teaspoon onion powder, half teaspoon garlic powder, half teaspoon ginger powder, and mix it well. Once all the spices are nicely combined with the vegetable, spread it evenly. Cover with the lid, and we're going to cook for 2 minutes. We already have 7 minutes completed on pasta, and if we take a look now, 2 more minutes to go. Within 9 minutes, these will get tender. It's exactly 9 minutes cooking pasta, and if we check pasta now, it's nice and fluffy and very tender. So I'm going to turn off the gas, and we have 2 minutes on this side. I'm going to leave it as is, and I'm going to drain the water. So once the water is fully drained, this is all we need. Our pasta is ready. As you can see it, it's nicely ready. I'll open the lid, mix it well. Mixed vegetables don't take that long to cook. This is already cooked. This is frozen. The carrots are nicely tender. So altogether we cook it for 3 minutes. I'll add pasta. I'll add sauce. I'll mix it well. I'll add parsley flake. 2 teaspoons parsley flake. Mix it well. Parmesan cheese. Once it's nicely combined, we're going to dish out. The pasta dish is all ready. My serving plate ready, and I'm going to dish out. Very delicious and very quick and easy vegetarian pasta. Let me share with you. Vegetarian pasta is all ready. Please try it and you're going to like it. If you like this recipe, like always, like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.